Good day students, this is mathematics class for grade 10 chapter 6 triangles. Exercise 6.3 page number 140 of your mathematics textbook. Problem number 12. Sides AB and BC, AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ and QR and the median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So here, first let us write the given part. So what is given? It is given that in both the triangles ABC and PQR, the sides AB, BC and AD of triangle ABC are proportional to the sides PQ, QR and PM of triangle PQR. So first let us write the proportional sides of both the triangles, that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. Next, to prove, we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now next let us move to the proof. So first let us write the given part, and from that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. So this is given. So next from this let us write AB by PQ is equal to BC by BC by 2 by QR by 2 equal to AD by PM. I will tell you why I have written this. Here BC by 2 by QR by 2. Now I have divided BC by 2 and in this I have divided QR by 2. We know that AD is the median. So what is median? Median is the midpoint of BC. And here median PM, this point is the midpoint of QR. So BC by 2 will give BD, isn't it? So AB by PQ is equal to, so BC by 2 is BD and QR by 2 is QM, which is equal to AD by PM. So this is equal to this one. Then okay, now look at these sides. AB by PQ, BD by QM and AD by PM. So we got these two triangles, isn't it? That is triangle. Okay, so you can write triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. ABD and PQM are similar. Why? Because the sides are proportional. Is this clear? Okay. Now, here, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles will also be equal, isn't it, students? Yes or no? If two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles will be equal. Okay, so this angle will be equal to this one, this will be equal to this, and this will be equal to this one. Yes or no? Yes. Now, I have to make triangle ABC and PQR similar. Isn't it, students? So here, now we have already proved that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. To make these triangles, that is ABC and PQ are similar, we don't require these angles. Isn't it? Actually, we require angle A, angle P, and here angle R, angle C, and then we have got already, that is angle B is equal to angle Q, isn't it? Yes, so first let us write that angle B is equal to angle Q. Yes or no? Angle B is equal to angle Q. So we got this from this one, that is the triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Since they are similar, we got that angle B is equal to angle Q. Is this clear? Yes. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q, isn't it? So first let me write that. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, that is, we got it from triangle ABD and triangle similar to triangle PQM. And then we have here in given we had AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, isn't it? AB by PQ, BC by QR, BC by QR, that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So here we got sides proportional. Okay, it is already given that sides are proportional, and also we got one angle, isn't it, students? So it is side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So it is side, angle, side criteria. Okay, so by side, angle, side similarity criteria, we say that a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Is this clear, students? Yes, so this is from the given part, and this is the angle, that is angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B of triangle ABC is equal to angle Q of triangle PQR. So these angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle Q. And here the sides are proportional. So by side, angle, side criteria, we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence, proved. Is it clear, students? Thank you, students.